Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Exodus support. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Exodus wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now I would like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supports over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's quickly hop into how we can contact the Exodus support. So from this home page, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. So head over to the last icon in here, which is the fifth icon. So click that open. It's going to take you to this window. Now from this window, you have this Web3, NFTs, history, asset security, setting, support, and staking. So go ahead and click on support. Getting SaaS and human help stories in the basis of using Exodus. You have knowledge base, you have status, and you have contact us. So head over to contact us and click on contact us. So send a message for quick human help. What can help you with? You can just drop down menu to select what you want help with. And after selecting that, then enter your email address. And here, enter your message. Just type in the message. Let them know what exactly you're contacting them for. What exactly do you want? So after entering your message, go ahead and click on send. And once you click on send, they're definitely going to respond to you via email. So check your email, the email address that you added here, and you're going to see their response. So this is pretty much how you can contact Exodus support. So for whatever reason that you have, just go ahead and state it there. As you can see from the what can we help you with tab, you see that there are a wide variety of options in here, like transaction at cents, buy crypto with fiat, crypto withdrawal to bank account, did not receive crypto, whatever you just want. Just choose any of the options there and let them know what you want. Then go further to give you specific response or give you a specific query or whatever you want. Make it specific here, and just enter your message tab. Express yourself, pour out your thoughts, and just let them know what you want. Click on the send button, and that's going to be it. You'll be in touch. I can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.